if you're watching this from 2020, if you're watching this 2022 now, you probably have issue with the file loader. I've been spending like almost a day. I really spent almost a day to figure out what's the problem. But yeah, I just want to share with you what's the problem when I try to run my my. So let's run it. Actually, I just removed the server, so let's run again. Terminal. I mean, if you're watching this 2023, you might have same problem like me with regards to file loader. Why did I did that? Crazy. So npm start for the command for my web dev, and then here, so currently the images is not loading, the hash is working here. Actually, let me turn in the wrapped, so it's png thing. Go back in here. I mean, this hashed is working. I also tried something like this one, just to make, so output path, and I have installed, I've tried this, still doesn't work. I still can't, the file loader still did not generate an image folder inside the disk, because the goal is we want to store all our production art files into the disk, so we won't gonna hard code it. If you can see on my development, because I run dev, so it goes to the dir name called this, and it should generate a new folder called image to replicate the assets, the images, and under my assets, or all images should be duplicated and move over to the image folder in the disk. Now it's not working. It's the hash works, but when I go into the file loader, actually let me just pull it out. I just realized, I was checking it out, I tried to really pinpoint if I did some problem, but this morning just realized that the file loader is depreciated. So we will try the asset folder. Hopefully this will solve the problem. So to emit, this is really the problem actually when I go into the terminal. Look at that. The images, it was generated. The assets, the assets that I created. Hold on. The assets that I created image really work. But what's assets? What's this one? No, it's start not working as I expected. YIMG. Did I? That was the old thing. But anyway, just to go, just the thing, it was like when I tried to run it, the folder is fine, it was tested, there is a name and there is a hash name, but it seems like, you know, it's not throwing the right yeah, it's not throwing the right, it's not, it needs to be rendered in the disk. So I'm gonna try to use the file, this assets. Hopefully this will solve my problem. So we'll go into the Webpack pig. So I need, is there anything that I need to install? When using an old asset file loader, file URL row loader along the assets module in your Webpack, you might want to stop asset modules from processing your assets again, as it would return asset duplication. This can be done by setting the type of to JavaScript auto. So so I'm gonna try this one. Why there's a limit thing? I'm curious. File path dir asset module file name extension to emit this kind of specific category. So we'll follow this one. So we need to add an output in your Webpack config. So you can modify this template by output config in your Webpack configuration. Another case to customize output file is to emit some kind of assets specifically in the directory. Okay, so I'm gonna move over. So we'll move over my directory because I use common for I individually put this one. So I'm going to change, so common module here. Let me try. Okay, I'll try. We're gonna okay, so let's remove that. And in the div it says that, okay, let me just pull this on my other screen. So it says that in the div I need to put in this code in here. Okay, and then another module rule here. Yeah, I use P, and like we can also, but right now my files is just PNG, so we can keep that for now. I just want to work the, I just really want to work the, so I just really want to work the image. Let's rerun it. Let's rerun the DOM because we configured the config, so we need to rerun the DOM, or the server rather. cd projects 23 cd webpack npm run. Please finger cross. Oh, npm start. Oh my god, it works! This is crazy. Okay, thick. Yes. So that's how it works, guys. I've been spending, the reaction is really real. I've been spending this for almost like a day to figure out why my image is not working. So if you inspect the elements in here, looks like the hash is working, so we're good on that. Super crazy. Okay, this is great. So just want to double confirm with you guys here. So I have a comment, so I actually, this one, so I need to create, I'm not sure if I need to call this one as well in my, actually you don't need to call this. I mean, yeah, you probably need to create a common thing, but yeah, I'll figure out the dev, the production later, but it solved my problem. So make sure that your file loader, you use the asset module instead of file loader because it's already depreciated. It's ready to 2023 now. I actually found out that when I was looking some YouTube tutorial in here, I tried a lot of YouTube tutorial to see if I did something wrong with the file loader. But then I see these comments. Thank you so much. I'm gonna message this dude. He says it's depreciated, but actually it's super visible in here that the file loader is depreciated. So when I'm a junior, developer, so it's a lesson learned that I really need to check the note if it's depreciated or not, if you don't want to waste time. Thank you and have a great day.